Taking a little bit of a closer video of this trench being dug to lay these pipes. Oh, sorry about that. Lay these pipes, water pipes, I think, and they are doing it in this on this street and the one behind us, and they are doing it very, very efficiently. I mean, there are only 3 hands working here, so to speak, and keeping it all very, very clean. And my porteria said it might take 3 weeks to finish this job, but I think they are going to be done by the end of next week, if not by middle of next week. So quite efficient and pretty impressive, I must say. Hasta luego. Today is the 14th of August in Bogota, Colombia. Hasta luego.